Namaste, my friends. Today we learn the three-step breathing, or also called yogic breathing, the foundation of all breathwork, the foundation of life in general. In the other video, we learned already the full belly, diaphragm, chest breathing, the three-step breathing, but we were lying down on a mat. And in today's video, we apply the same breathing method, but in a sitting position. We will breathe in like an ocean, filling up the belly, diaphragm, the chest, and letting go. Yogic breathing is the most important pranayama technique. Without this, you can't perform any other pranayama properly.
The benefits are as following: balances the endocrine and the nervous system, opens up the breathing system, gain control over your breathing muscles, developing proper deep breathing, deeply relaxes body and mind, wonderful way to energize your whole system, oxygenating the body, relieves insomnia, nervousness, and all stress-related symptoms. It also helps to treat stress-related disorders, depression, high blood pressure, insomnia, skin problems, breathing problems, and asthma.
So we're coming into a sitting position. I prefer to sit on this yoga pillow here. It will help me to keep the spine straight and my hips above my knees, so I can breathe more deep into the belly. But you can also sit on a chair, you can sit cross-legged, you can sit in a full lotus or in a half lotus seat, as you prefer. And you keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, whole body relaxed, your arms relaxed, your hands you can rest on your knees. Keep your face muscle relaxed. If you want, you can close your eyes and keep a gentle smile on your face.
And for a few breaths, just connect with your breathing. Find your own breathing rhythm. Deeply inhale and slowly exhale. Now place your palms, your hands on your belly and take deep, full breaths into your belly like a balloon, expanding with the inhalation and dropping inside with the exhalation. You can breathe in for 4 seconds into the belly and then release for 6 seconds. Try to make the exhalation always longer than the inhalation. This will deeply relax you. And the focus is completely on the belly. There is some air in different airways moving, but that's fine. Your awareness is on your belly. Inhale, feel the expansion, and slowly exhale, release. You can now, after each inhalation, hold the breath for 2 seconds. So you breathe 4 seconds in, you hold for 2, and you exhale for 6 seconds. Relax your arms and hands and place them on your knees. Be fully relaxed in the present moment. Whatever feelings, emotions or thoughts are coming up, just let them pass. Be aware and let go of your breathing even more. Feel how are you going deep? How soft, how calm and slow the breath can be. Slowly open your eyes. Now we do diaphragmatic breathing. So we place our palms on the side of our rib cage, and with each inhalation we feel a slow and gentle stretch in the diaphragm on the side of the rib cage. And with the next exhalation you feel the diaphragm collapses. Again, we breathe in for 4 seconds, feel the expansion, and breathe out for 6 seconds. Be fully aware and conscious about your diaphragm. Feel the gentle stretch in the rib cage. You can't do anything wrong, you can just optimize the breathing exercise. The diaphragm is your most important breathing muscle. Inhale, expand the diaphragm, feel the side of your rib cage, and exhale again. You can now apply again after each inhalation a short breath hold for about 2 seconds. And again, relax your arms, relax your hands, and place them on your knees. And go even deeper with your breathing. Completely relax your breathing. Find your own rhythm again, without counting, without any breath hold. Just let the breath flow, let the mind go, and let the breathing settle. Go deeper and deeper with each breath. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Now we learn how to breathe into the top parts of our lungs. We interlay our fingers, place them on our neck, and open up the chest, the elbow facing towards the ceiling, and the neck slightly stretched, so that you feel a small expansion in your chest and an opening of your lungs. 4 seconds inhale, feel the expansion in your chest, and slowly for 6 seconds you exhale. Your awareness, your focus is completely on each inhalation, how the chest is expanding, and then with the exhalation you feel the chest dropping in again. And after each inhalation, you can again hold the breath for 2 seconds. 4 seconds in, hold for 2, and 6 seconds out. You can now release your arms and place your hands on your knees. And now we're gonna make use of all these 3 breathing muscles. We breathe into the belly, up to the diaphragm, and into the top parts of our lungs. In your own rhythm, without any counting, just let the breath happen. Belly, diaphragm, and chest. Just imagine that you're part of a big ocean and your breathing is just like the waves, coming and going. From the belly up to the top parts of your lungs and letting go. This is yogic breathing. This is the right way of breathing. Into the belly, up to the diaphragm, and into the top parts of your lungs. Feel the calming effect of this exercise. Connect. Be fully relaxed. Let everything settle. Let everything happen. It's you and your breath. Become the observer of your own breathing. For so many lifetimes, you were not in control of your breathing, and you're still alive. So now I want you to just let the breathing happen as it is, without any effort, without using any breathing muscles. but in the same time, you be conscious and aware of each breath in and each breath out. And now I want you to slow down your breathing even more. Breathe softer, slower, and maybe not so deep anymore, till you come to a point where you can't feel your breath anymore. Let the breath happen, the feeling, the emotions, all the thoughts arising, just let them come and go, and be fully in the present moment, fully aware. Now we are going deep. Feel the connectedness deep in your heart. Just be in the present moment. You can now place one hand on your heart center at your heart chakra, the other hand around the belly button on your belly. And again, in your own rhythm, in your own speed, apply the 3-step or yogic breathing technique again. Belly, diaphragm, into the top parts of your lungs. Feel how the prana flows from the bottom of your spine all the way up to the top parts of your lungs. Feel the expansion in your heart as you inhale, and with the exhalation make this expansion even bigger, so that your whole being is illuminating with this state of being, with all the prana, all the energy. Now really feel the state of connectedness. Whatever state you're in right now, appreciate and be grateful for. Connect with gratitude. It's a very powerful emotion. And thank the universe, thank God, thank life itself for that experience you have right now. You can always go back there with your breath in the present moment. There's no limitation, only in your own mind. Now rub your palms together and create some heat. Then place your hands over your eyelids and over your forehead and deeply look into yourself. What do you see? What do you feel? Can you experience the calmness of the mind? Now massage your eyelids, your face muscles, your forehead, your skull, your neck, shoulders, your arms, your hands on both sides, chest, belly, abdomen, your lower back and your legs. Namaste.